the value of y is 3. So here we replace it. So there we put in the 5 for the x and the 3 for the y and the 3 for the y here for equation 2. So we work them out. We do multiply first. So we'll get 10 plus 4. Do the multiplication first. 3 times 3 give you minus 9. Then we multiply first. We get 12. Write back everything. Minus 2. And then you work it out. So we can do adding, then subtract. Then 10 plus 4, 14, minus 9. You'll end up with 9. You'll have 14. You'll end up with 5. Next, 12 plus that gives you 17, minus 2 will end up with 15. So one equation is 5, one is 15. So it's a no. So you get 1 point for that, 1 point for the working on one. So you get all 3 points. So section B continues and it values 3 points. So you need to find all this. So it says plot the point B where the x value, because x always comes first, negative 6, and the y is 4. So the x values are here, the negative is on this side, the positive. So you're going to find negative 6 first and then go up positive 4. Let's start at the origin, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then positive 4 going up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's right here. You put a circle, and it is a B. There it is. So we have plotted B. So we got that. Next, plot the reflection point over the x-axis. So you can use it. So here's the x-axis. So you reflect over the x-axis. So you count the amount of space to the x, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's equal distance through it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the B plotting is B1, and that gives you another 1. If you did not want to use a graph, it's simple. So you take the point, original point, and because it's reflecting through the x-axis, you keep the x-axis and change the sign of the y-axis. And that will give you the point. So it says, right, B as a reflection after reflecting through the x. That will be the answer for right here. So you show the plotting of it, the reflection, and then you can tell what it is. And that will give you all 3 points. Question 6, 2 points. All right, so the perimeter of a rectangle can be found by using this. So this is important, they gave you. So 2 lengths, 2 times length plus 2 times width, where L is the length and W is the width, right? Find the perimeter, because you need to use that. And the length, they gave you the length being 6.2, the L and the W. So all it says now. It says substitute the values for the unknown, which is the L and W right here to show. So this is what it will look like. So you're writing this 2 times the L is 6.2, and then 2 times the W is 3.5. That's it, simple, don't solve it yet. So after multiplying 2 times, you'll get 12.4, and then 2 times, you'll get 7. Then you add that, you'll end up to get 19.4. So there it is, 19.4 units. Now we move on to section C. Last month, Sarah decided to track rainfall in the UAE. Abu Dhabi had 5 inches. So we're going to list this of rainfall. Dubai had 3 more inches than Abu Dhabi. So there it is. Abu Dhabi has 5. So Dubai had 3 more. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. That's more. And then it says Al Ain had 3 times the amount of rainfall than Abu Dhabi. Note that Abu Dhabi had 5, so 3 times would give us 15. So we know that Abu Dhabi had 5, Dubai had 8, and Al Ain had 15 inches of rainfall. So here's the question: who had the least, which is the lowest? And it would be Abu Dhabi. And the next question, arrange the cities in ascending order. Ascending means from the lowest to the highest. What's the lowest? So it's Abu Dhabi. Here it is, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, then Al Ain. You get 2 points for that and 1 point for 2 points for listing. So that you'll get the total 4 points. Question number 2 in section C. All right. You and your family are visiting Yas Water World. Your mom has a map which will be here for the park and how it looks, all right, for the coordinates. Plot the points for the location of the water park, all right? So the first point for Liwa Loop is 4 on the X, 5 on the Y. For Slither Slide, located -6 on the X, -3 on the Y. And then the other one would be -6 on the X, 5 on the Y, and that is for the Yad Yas or lazy pool. So you need to do that, and then you calculate the horizontal and vertical between the rides. So let's do that. The first thing you do is to write the X and Y over. So the first one is +4, +5. So you come to 0, +4 on the X goes sideways, +4, and then +5 on the Y goes up. So it's +4, and then you stop at the 5 here on the Y. That's the first point, +4, +5, and it's right here, and that is called the LL, which is the Liwa Loop. All right. Next one, we'll have the -6 and -3. So you go negative on the X and then down for -Y. All right, there it is. So -6 and then -3, and that is for the point Slither Slide. The next point is called the Yad Yas or lazy pool. Is -6 on the X and then 5. So you go -6 on the X and then 5 going up 5 times, which is right here on the Y. So that would have given you the 3 points here for doing the section B. What is the horizontal distance between the rides and the vertical distance? Horizontal means that it's a distance that are between, so only one